Hey guys, it's your girl Me-Anie here from UnrulyJewelry.com, and I'm here to do a special review for you guys on a product that I was sent, and it came right on time, especially with everything that's going on with my jewelry website. So the product that I was sent is basically a jewelry organizer, and it goes over your door, and I'm going to show you guys that in just a minute. The company reached out to me to do a review, and they sent it to me absolutely free, no charge whatsoever, and I'm so thankful. I'm so grateful for this opportunity. It was like the law of attraction heard what I was saying, because just I want to say maybe like a few days before, I was saying like I need to find a way to kind of display my jewelry and hold it in a place so that when I'm ready to ship out my orders, I can see what I have and I can just package them up and get them right out. So let me show you guys exactly what it is. I'm gonna flip this here camera around so you can see. There she is. All right, so I got some fingerprints on the side because I've been touching and feeling all up on it. Anyhow, here it goes. As you can see, it is an over-the-door jewelry cabinet, and I absolutely love this. It comes in two colors. It comes in black. Let me wipe these damn fingerprints off. Got my fingerprints all up on there. How you doing? All right, so this was shipped to me from Amazon, and it comes in two colors. It comes in white, and it also comes in this beautiful brown color. I chose the brown because it goes a little bit better with what I have as far as my decor. Now, my favorite part about this is that it has a lock and key. Lock and key, this is my absolute favorite part. So I'm going to open this up so you guys can kind of see what it looks like on the inside. I didn't put all of my personal jewelry in here because I'm using it more so for my lock jewelry for my website. But I did go ahead and put a few pieces in just so you guys can kind of see how it would look if you were to use it for your personal items. Now, across here I like because they have these little slots where you can put your earrings in, and it can hold the studs if you want to. And then it can also hold the ones with the little hook. So these are nice. A lot of my earrings are huge, like crazy huge, so they wouldn't really fit in here. So I did go ahead and put a few in there so you guys can see. Also has this little rack here for some bangles and bracelets, which I like. And further down here, you can see it does have some hooks where you can put your necklaces. I chose to put some of my earrings that's going to be on my website up there. Alright, so right across the top, as you can see, I do have a few of my rings laid out and displayed, and I like them up there. I did put the ones that have a wider base. They aren't able to stay in here, so I did hang these on this hook. I am going to use this space though for my watches, because I love in the morning when I open this up, I'm able to see all my watches and I can select which one I want to wear. I've been wearing my blue one as of recently the most. Now, I threw these rings up here because I want to put them down in this little space. I do wish that this little pocket right here had a little bit more give, just because I think as I go in here multiple times, it's probably going to give away in the side. If you have rings that have this type of band, or they're a little bit too wide and can't go into this area, this right here is a perfect place to go ahead and store some of your rings. Further down, I'm going to walk you through some of what I have in here for personal storage, and this is what I absolutely love. In the picture that you'll see when you go onto Amazon, you will see that some people have perfumes and things of that nature up there, but the possibilities are endless. So for me personally, I wouldn't really put perfumes on this door just because I'm afraid as I open and close it, it might shatter, it might fall out, it might break, even though it has a nice little ledge here. So for what I'm using this for, I have my earrings and lock bead sets in here, and this is what I have on my website. So it goes in here perfectly, and I'm able to organize it by the week that I make it, having my newest product to the top and then move them down as I bring in newer merchandise. Down to the bottom, I have some beads, newer beads that I want to put on my website, and then I also have packages that I'm packing up for custom orders that I need to send out to people. So I have my beads down here, and I also have them in collections as far as different. This one is my 80s collection, and then I also have my Rasta and Jamaican colors in here. Now down to the bottom, it does have two little drawers that you can put just about anything in. I have in here some beads that I made. These are my colorful ones that are currently on the website as well. And I love it because it's like quick storage. I can go in these drawers and kind of figure out where my beads are. So you guys see, you can put just about anything in this little jewelry cabinet. I absolutely love the fact that I can go ahead and lock this baby away. One more thing that I love about it is if you have a salon, you're a salon owner, or a small space that you are doing hair, you can go ahead and purchase one of these and you can hang it up in your facility. You can hang it up in your store. You can hang it on the wall, number one, or you can display it over the door. I like mine's right now where it is in my bedroom over my door, but I do think that I want to purchase another one so that I can have one for my personal jewelry and have the other one for my jewelry for the website. Oh, one thing I forgot to show you guys. I did forget to show you guys this. Hold on, look at this. So it does have light. It does have a strip of LED lights across the top. So I thought that was very nice. Another thing I would do to kind of improve this product, if these lights were a little bit brighter, that would be awesome. Like it's a cute idea, but to me they're not bright enough. If the lights were a little bit brighter, it would rock even more. And you can turn it off or you can leave it on so that as the door closes, when the door closes, it'll hit this little button right here and it'll shut it off. It does run off of, I believe it was AA or AAA batteries. Hold on, which ones? Yeah, so it runs off of 3 AAA batteries. You put that in the top and you can have it on or off, all at your preference. So I give this product a thumbs up. I give it, I want to say a 9.5. I want to say I'll give it a 9.5 out of 10. Only 2 areas of improvement I would say would be the strip of lights across the top, if we can make those a little bit more brighter, and then that pocket for jewelry, if that had a little bit more give to it, just so it doesn't rip in the future. Maybe it won't rip in the future, but I feel as though, you know, going in there repeatedly time and time again will cause it to eventually rip. And I've done that with quite a few things in the past as far as storing jewelry. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you watch this video and you want to purchase it, they do have a code that you can go ahead and get 50% off of this item. Regular price for this is $119.90. I think it's like $120, but you can get it for 50% off. I'll put some codes down below. You can get it off of Amazon. I believe they expire at the end of this month, August. So do not hesitate, do not wait. I love this product. It's by AOOU Direct on Amazon. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to see any other reviews, definitely reach out to me and I will post some more of the products that I'm being sent to take a look at. Until next time, it is your girl Me-Anie. I am absolutely in love with this mirror. I love it. I don't know, like the law of attraction. Thank you, and I thank the company for reaching out to me, sending me this amazing product at absolutely no charge and allowing me to test it for, I tested it for about 3 weeks because I really don't, when I get a product, I like to test it for a certain amount of time before I come on and give you guys my feedback. Just because I want to be able to use it in everyday life so I can see, okay, if I do this, what's gonna happen, you know, and give you my personal and honest feedback from day-to-day use. I hope it was well worth the wait. I know I've been telling you guys I have this product that I need to review for quite some time. It's been about 3 weeks now, but it's really, I like it. I'm gonna go get another one. So until next time, guys, it's your girl Me-Anie. Remember, if the message matters, share it with someone you love and keep rising.